I am always excited about the Desert Horticulture Conference. We advertise this conference to what we call green industry professionals. This conference was essentially started as an educational conference to help the industry to stay abreast of what's going on, learn about new scientific knowledge, things that they can do to improve management, both in installing, planning, and implementing and managing landscapes.
It's important as our company to sponsor and always have a good presence here. If you're doing something professionally, you need to learn every year as much as you can. A great once-a-year opportunity to come together and learn. Your master gardeners, architects, landscapers, maintenance people, people from Phoenix. It's just important to connect with those people and being a part of our green community.
There are a lot of educational materials, anything from compost to a lot of plant materials to some of the latest irrigation technology. We have big displays on entomology today, everything from large beetles and their cocoons, so you can learn firsthand what some of these insects then look like or what to look for if a pest is present.
The Desert Horticulture Conference is critical, I think, to our landscape professionals. They get to learn all of the research that's happening, that's being done by Cooperative Extension and other researchers at the university. The more we can learn about how to maintain irrigation systems and how to grow healthy plants that thrive in the desert, the better we can serve our customers and overall the better we can do at our water conservation goals for the city.